Friends, in this SEO course video today, we will teach you how you can do Web 2.0 link submission and how you can do link building. In off-page activities, this is now one of the most trending and major activities. So Web 2.0, right? In this, we will see how you can find websites for it and how you will create it step by step. In this, we will make one do follow link. I will explain everything, so you should practice it well so that you too can create quality backlinks. So as you can see that I have found a really great website for you. This one here is penzu.com, okay? We will do a submission for Web 2.0 on this site and also create a backlink. Like this you can find quality websites. But friends, what do you need to do for that? So you will search for Web 2.0 submission sites. So you can also add year like for 2025 or whenever you want, just search it. After searching, you will find many websites on the page that will show you a lot of Web 2.0 sites for submissions and also for creating the links. But even if you get the list from there, don't just start submitting on them directly when you get the list, okay? I'm telling you this for every type like classified submissions, article submissions, blog submissions, Web 2.0 or any other kind of off-page activity. Don't do it directly, guys. Any site you find, what you need to do is simply go here. Then you search for DA, PA checker. Alright. Now, when we searched, we got like websitechecker.com, Moz, small SEO tools, dapachecker.org. So you can see we've got quite a sites here. The one I personally use and which is also free is mostly Moz because the DAPA metric, the domain authority and page authority, that is of Moz. So we'll come here. Then we've pasted penzu.com. That's the website where we want to do link submission, which basically means link building. So similarly on whichever website you want to work on, you copy its link here and then click on check DA. Now it will tell about this website's authority. It's a spam score. It will tell us everything in detail. See, the authority is very good. It's actually 75. Linking root domains which are rooted with different kinds of domains are around 1,30,000. It ranks for over 1200 keywords, meaning the website ranks for many different keywords. Also, the spam score is only 1%, which means it's an ideal website, a really very good website. So you can also check your website in same way. Here, before building links on any website, you really need to sign up there and also register as well. Now to register here, you'll definitely need to enter your name to create an account. So I have entered Hitesh Gupta, or if you want your company's name, then enter company's name like Marketing Fundas Private Limited. Here, you must enter the email ID for creating the account, the email ID you use for submissions, your off-page activities. So enter that email ID and that email ID will be open here. So yes, it should be open alongside. Enter the email ID, then clicking create password. It offers strong password one or create your own. So go on, use strong password, whatever it is. Okay. You can copy and then save that password. All right. So just copy that password and then just create one sheet where for any off-page submission that you do, so that your email, username and password, everything is saved in one sheet once it's done. Once it's done, then just click on create account. Then the sign up process will begin. Now the system is processing account creation and see my account has been created. Then we need to do our Web 2.0 submission. All right. Okay, so when you click on new entry, a page like this will appear right in front of you. Okay friends, it is blank page. So what you need to do here in new entry is first you enter the title. Okay, I have some content prepared here. For example, this is my title. I'll copy this title. Okay, and we'll go and paste this title right here. All right. After this, we need to add the content here that we have created for Web 2.0. I'll copy the entire content from here. The content of Web 2.0 is big. Okay, so we'll go here and we will paste the content. And whatever link we want to add, let's say, for example, I want to give the link of my website's homepage or any other page. I'll copy that link from here. Then I'll go. Okay, and here, let's say, after digital marketing services Delhi, put a bracket and copy. Alright, so in this way right here, I will also add one link. The direct link will be pasted here. So now here, check all your content. If you want to edit something, make it bold, change colors, insert an image, etc. If you want to add an image, then you can simply upload it. Okay. So I will go here and then I will take some dummy image. Okay. I will add an image now. Okay. I took an image. Now what do I need to do with that image, friends? I'll insert it. Okay. So here, if you have an image related to the title, I have just used a dummy image. So like this, you can select that image. So in this way, see, it is taking the shape of a blog. Friends, whatever off-page activity we do, quality content is needed everywhere. A good image is needed everywhere. Okay. And basically, what does a backlink mean? It means that on a third-party website, I mean on a second website, on another website, you are putting quality content, images, videos, PDFs in different formats or maybe in text format, which has some meaning and its original content. And you are providing real value there. Based on that value and the quality content that you are giving, that website will give you to follow link. And that becomes your backlink, and this is how your authority also keeps increasing steadily. It's a simple principle, always remember in off-page SEO. You need to find quality websites, check them, and ensure the quality. And content you are creating is unique and definitely not duplicate. Content must provide value to people and give added value to platform. And then you get a link created for yourself. Okay? When we've done all of this, okay, all this is now done. Now we need to click on save now. Is that okay? I have now clicked on save now. Okay? Now here we will click on like view all entries. All right. So you can see entry is appearing. I'll click on this entry now. So my entire page is coming in this way. All right. Now you need to share this content properly. Okay. So go here and then go to share. All right. After going to share, click share by public, generate the public link URL and save it. So this is the backlink. Okay. So this link has been created here. You can copy this link now. And then here you can also open it up and see it. Okay. So in this way, your entire page has been created on this website. Okay. And also in this, you have given the link that you need and you have created. So this is the entire course of SEO. And friends, how are you finding this entire course? Do let me know in the comment section. Learn and practice well. Thank you.